If your lithium battery doesn't look like it's working and won't accept charge after being left unused, don't worry, it may be in sleep mode. In this video, we'll walk you through what you need to do to wake up a lithium battery and get your rig powered again. Lightweight, with longer lifespans, a nearly 100% usable capacity, and ability to handle deeper discharges, lithium batteries have become the preferred second battery for dual battery setups. If your lithium battery is in storage or has remained unused for an extended period of time, the state of charge may have fallen below the battery's low voltage cutoff and entered sleep mode. If this has happened, the internal battery management system has shut the battery off to prevent it from completely discharging. As a result, most chargers won't detect the sleeping battery as they require a minimum voltage to begin charging. To wake up a lithium battery, you'll need jumper leads and a charged battery. This battery doesn't need to be the same brand, capacity or chemistry as your flat battery. So for example, you could use your vehicle's 12-volt starter battery to jumpstart a 12-volt lithium battery. Before waking your battery, first ensure that everything is disconnected from the lithium battery terminals to prevent any potential hazards during the jump starting process. Next, connect the positive terminals of the two batteries, then do the same with the negative terminals. Once these batteries are connected, charge will begin to flow from the charged battery to the empty battery. They only need to be connected for a short period of time to wake up the dead battery. Once your battery has been woken, remove the connections in the reverse order. First, disconnecting the negative terminal connection, followed by the positive terminal connection. Reconnect your loads and charger, and your battery should begin accepting charge. Always take the proper safety precautions throughout the process to prevent any accidents or damage to the batteries. For more on lithium batteries and more Help Center content, head to redarcelectronics.com.